Cash, DJ, Neff, Juice, and Young Star.
Here we go. The bull sage listen. The bull sage listen. The bull sage listen. The bull sage listen.
There I go, flying past you in something casual, the dash do. 0 to 60, I outlast you. Stash 2 with me, the Mac and the Uzi. You thought shit like this only happened in movies. This is based on a true story. I'ma play the lead role and kill the first nigga trying to play the hero. Catch him at the light, since it's called like the repo. My bricks put niggas in comas. Ask Debo, I hear a knock at the door, see death through the peephole. Believe me, I put more dots on you than CeeLo and get him stitched like Lilo, so kill that ego. You send a shot, I throw 6 back. Nigga, I eat those. Your joints hold 3 at the most, sorta like free throws. So I'ma light your ass up when you go to reload. Textbook, no look style, sorta like Pete Rose. No fingerprints, I bleach those like clean clothes. And all the streets know is money and murder. Who, where, and how to get it and what it can earn you. And I never put my guard down, cause they had you with your arms up as soon as you think of putting your arms down.
The bull sage listen. The bull sage listen.
Roll into the road, collapse, and I be flowing like the ocean when the globe is flat. I'm on edge, my third eye twitching, got me wise as a chipping. 3 musketeers couldn't rip them, so give me a break. The way I spit raps and kick cats out of this game, you missed that? Hey, let me twix that. That's 2 for me, that's 1 for the rocky road, and 2 for G's. The shit I do for free. You gotta peep my flavor dip. I got a lot of charm pops, we try to blow now and later. See, your son out of airhead might be a Slim Jim, but I choose anybody, fuck you haters. Step up to the mound, you must be nuts, absurd, cause for a payday I probably take hers, his. I don't give a shit, it is what it is, and I can't afford a hug cause I'm in it for the kicks. Shit. Why wait? A lot of niggas got me snickering. Swear they got a grip and all I see is butterfingering. With no skill at all, dum-dums. And it hurts cause this is what happens when stars burst. Now let's pop rocks, baby, pitch me the ball. I'm baby roof over a plate, watch me swing for the wall. Home run niggas, should I say run home? Cause I take beef all the way to the bone. Now who's hungry?
The bull sage listen. The bull sage listen.
You and you, cause nowadays I feel like death's at the funeral. Keep count from when he call you numeral and watch for the old who get new on you. Stay true to you. I can only give these clues to you. You must see it too. Lord knows I seen some blues. I hope it shines yellow so I can see some green. I gotta get it on my feet so my daughter don't get it on her knees, and that's deep. It wakes me from my sleep. Spark it to the leaf, body sowing what I reap. Mommy praying to the sky who be blessing her through me. Be all that you could be without needing the army. But let the niggas get your back and keep him at arm's reach. Carry your big stick, gotta speak so softly. Till death come call me, I'ma shine till the light go off me.
The bull sage listen. The bull sage listen.
Respect allowed should be given to these niggas who know nothing about how I'm living, what I've been through. Post pivot, distribute the work, what you in for? You never knew about a block, a spot with them ends rolling in and not a gutter ball sinking. We hitting pins. Strike them out, switch it over to the 9th ending. Niggas out, I'm at bat, the game is tied now. So I guess it's up to me to show them what it's about now. You a scary nigga, see I got you figured out. How dare you nigga think that I will ever back down. See I'm the starter and the finisher. Beginner and the end of all the nonsense you begin to pull. I'm an idol to these gangsters, thugs, hustlers. I know you wanna be me, too bad you a customer. Marijuana, ganja, abuser, the Ruger, shooter, medulla, remover, hoover through any maneuver, spinning like a hula hoop. Drop him on the scene from the roof like a bird shitted. Verbs explicit, my words get in them like dope. When a needle is entered, I exit syringes. Wise like the Pope, I make you witness like Jehovah's. Evil like the devil, at the same time I'm the savior. Created cause I do it now, you worry about later. Snooze then you lose, see I choose to be greater. I ain't having that, you choose to do favors. I'm $1 million man with a plan to be greater.
The bull sage listen. The bull sage listen.
It go. I know where we at right now, but fuck it. It go live from Island A. I'ma be the wild MC, probably should bow to me, acknowledge me. Style for the crowd to see, the prodigy, a sorcerer with sour D. The haze I blaze on lazy days, erase the rage. Superstars say to save the day, abrasive K's make niggas change their ways. Real rap, my nigga sage when he graced the stage, he crazed. We amaze niggas page for page, in the hood fucking with trades, niggas paid for days, fuckers. Get your weight up cause you talking to a dime, I can write his dynamite like Jimmy Walker in his prime. rhyme. Now I'm on the break, you niggas think you fucking with the bomb, put you in the earth. You niggas talking to Saddam. Who's saying they can flame the untamed, the range, great dame, sleep in the rain cause it's keeping him sane. See you lanes peep the game, keep on speaking my name, the gatto cock, I'm Kakarot. You ain't peep, I'm saying that you niggas couldn't fuck with me. I'm one of a kind, a prime time die and put the gun in my palm. I'll catch wreck, break necks and ask for the spec. Who wanna battle, nigga, what's next? So cut the check, I'm the realest.
It's me, Sage, listen. It's me, Sage, listen. The boy Sage, listen.